Good morning everyone and welcome back. I'm gonna do a little creek fishing this morning. It is bright and early. It is 6:17. I'm a little late. I was a little tired last night. I slept in a little bit. There is a creek right behind me. This is one of my favorite creeks. I'm gonna hit a different section today. I'm gonna throw a little topwater. I'm gonna throw the Nico Helgramite at first. Start off, we'll see how it goes. I'm excited to get fishing, excited to get down there, get my feet wet, hop in the creek. I'll see you guys on the water. Thanks. Take a little breakfast, have a little caffeine. I love this stuff. Yerba mate. I drink it hot in the morning too. I have it loose and I steep it and make tea. I don't drink this hot because this comes out of the fridge. That would just be absurd. And banana. I think I'll save banana for later. Hide this down there. All right, no more talking. Let's just get to fishing. Shan't we? Do I have everything? I have a scale. I have my fishing rod holder. Holster. Thank you, John Graham. All right, gear, glasses. You guys are turned on, plugged in. All right, we're good, let's go. Got a little rain last night. Supposed to rain later today. We are about 3/4 moon. Wow, slow. I love this little creek. Oh, that water's chilly. My last video, I caught a huge smallmouth. He was 2.81 pounds and 18 inches long. I caught him on this, on the Whopper plopper. This is the 60 size Whopper plopper in the loon color. I don't really care what time of day it is, if it's sunny, if it's cloudy. Obviously I don't fish much topwater in the middle of the day, but I've had the best luck with this color. In this little 60 size, I am fishing it on the JDM X Pride. This is a 6'3" rod. This is the 2019 Steve's CT SVTW. This is the slower one, the 6.3 gear ratio. Also, I brought along G Loomis 821 Ned rig rod with the JDM Stella on it. This has become my new favorite. This rod is incredible. And so is the reel. This thing casts a country mile. So this is my new favorite setup. I'm going to be throwing the topwater on the X Pride, and I'm going to throw the Helgramite natural color on the G Loomis Ned rig rod. I haven't been to this section yet this year, and every section that I've come to in this creek so far this year has been completely different than last year. Different fish holding in different sections. So I have these great high hopes and great expectations. Take my brakes down one little click. See if I can get this going out there a little bit further. And you can see that tree down there. Sycamore tree sticking out of the water. There's a big root base. There's a deep hole right in there. I've caught fish out of there. I know that holds fish. If this doesn't take us too long, we're going to walk down under the bridge. I caught a big smallmouth under the bridge 2 years ago. It kind of turns and slows down. There's a nice deep hole in there. There was a big smallmouth that hit topwater on me last year, but I couldn't get him, and I slowed down through the Helgramite. I couldn't get him either. Shout out to my wife, my beautiful, loving, understanding wife, for supporting me in my fishing and making this channel, trying to get this channel off the ground. I spent a lot of time editing and fishing, and she is so gracious about it, giving me my time to fish, giving me all the time I need to try to make this channel. I can't thank you enough, honey. She supports me in my recovery. She supports me in making meetings whenever I need to. I don't know where I would be without her. So I just want to say thank you. I also know upstream there's a few good holes up there too. So if we're not getting the action we need down here, we'll head up there. 2 big log jams that turn into deep holes in deeper water. I pulled a really big largemouth out of one of them. Again, I haven't waited or got it on camera, so I'm hoping this is going to be a year. Excuse me, a good year of recording PBs, at least getting them on camera, getting it all documented. I was really expecting to have a little more action before now. But you know what they say about expectations? Expectations are resentments waiting to happen. I went through the Helgramite in for a sec, and I had good luck rigging this thing sideways. Last time I was, not last time, 2 times ago when I was out. So I'm taking the hook through the side instead of coming through the bottom. Only a nibble from a sunfish so far, huh? Yeah, this fish holster is good for bait casters or spinning rods. John makes a special one for fly rods also. The website is 3Line Tactical. Go to his website, get yourself some. They're all Kydex. He makes gun holsters, so he also started making a fishing holster. And they are, in the description it tells you how well they're made. Stainless steel screws, and the Kydex is a little thicker, hold up a little longer. They're really great fishing rod holsters. They're lightweight. I don't even know mine's on me, but it's so handy to have something just to put your rod into when you need to change baits, when you need to, this time of year it's grassy. It's really handy. This is the hole I was talking about. I'm going to get up out of the stream, walk down below it, and then work my way into it from below, so I'm not disturbing it. Got our first hit. It's just a rock bass, but that's okay. Yes, we got one. We finally got one. And it is Rocco. All smashed up on it, huh? First fish of the day. Little Rocco. Thanks, buddy. Rock bass. Red eye. Thanks, dude. That was fun. Come on, big boy. Where are you at today? With epic days like last week. And then we have days like today. Your biggest fish is a rock bass that's 4 inches long. Rocco. Stop it. Thanks, buddy. He's a fat little fella. Look at that. That was a freaking largemouth. Oh, we didn't get to get to look at them. The water's low. They're going to be super tight to cover like that. So they're not going to just be hanging out in the middle. Change the plan a little bit. All right, so largemouth. I'm going to put the worm on. Good casts are going to be key today. Clutch, as my son would say. So broke now. Strike pings carry the perfect plastic, coffee scented and salted. Magic fat baby finesse worm. I think that's gonna be money. Straight through. A 1/4 inch, come back out. Measure it up. Stick it straight through the middle. Up through the middle down. There we go, right out the top. And I'll sink this. Point the hook in there. And that's what we're looking at. Hey, maybe everybody was out partying late last night and they're super tired, lethargic this morning. Maybe they just needed a chance to wake up. I mean, that largemouth was tucked in there tight, boy. Tell you what. See, when I go after largemouth in the creek, most of the time I switch to the worm. So they just don't seem to like the Helgermite as much. And that seems to pay off for me, but this is not my Roboworm, it's a little bit fat. So, let's see. Oh, I wonder if I can skip it in there. Like that. Okay, let's go to the other side. Still not tight enough in there. Little bastards. Oh, they're getting me good today. It's time for a little breakfast, boys and girls. So here's a little interesting dynamic of this creek. I came in on this side, still the same creek, but it bends around and it has like an inner bend. And this, to the left-hand side where we're going now, there are 1, 2, 3 deep holes, and then where it comes back together, right at the top where it comes back together, is a big old tree with a big old root ball. And I pulled a big smallmouth out of there, and I pulled a couple big largemouth out of there last year. So that's where we're heading. That's what we're after. The smallmouth, the first time I got him was last year or the year before on my birthday in October. It was fall fishing. And I put on the Nico crawl. And I had like 6 or 7 casts. Finally, I was kind of upstream. And I drifted it right down in front of, like, literally tucked it underneath that root ball. And toward the way the current was flowing, I hopped that crawl. I think it's the, it looks like natural. I think they call it Eclipse. And, boy, it was pretty big. I felt that one little tap. It wasn't, you know, you can tell the difference. And it was lights out for him. Obviously, I put him back. I released him. Man, that was a lot of fun, though. I had a winter hat on. I had a big jacket. It was chilly. I think I heard somewhere that rock bass are a good indicator of healthy water. If you have rock bass in the water, it means your ecosystem is good. Not sure what we're doing here. Underwear, sock. It's cute. Nice easy bridge across. That got deep real fast. Alright, let's see. If we can't stir up some action. Right here. So can I get it to go? Will it float over that way? Little fishy just jumped out of the water. Beeline for that thing. Okay, we're going to Roboworm, 4.5 inch fat straight tail Aaron's green pumpkin. How do you guys get that in your mouth? He's so pretty, so fat. Red breast. Alright, we're gonna get up there. There's a good spot up there. If I'm just messing around with these little guys. Oh, Bobby. Typically you see a fish make a V in the water after your bait. It's not a little rock bass. There's a big largemouth. Oh my lord. Oh my lord. Oh my god, you guys. I'm afraid for my hand, alright? Stop. That was freaking epic. Alright, let me get the pliers. Hold on. What's in your mouth? A rock? Get the rock out of your mouth. Thank you. I don't think you weigh that much, but only 268. $272. All right, and he is. Just want to get a quick measurement on you, guy. I know. I'll put you right back really soon, I promise. He's only 16. 17. Okay. Look at this beautiful guy. Oh, he's got a big thing on his side. All right, let's get him back in the water. I'm sorry, buddy. There he goes. Happy and healthy. Wow. Yes. 272, almost as big as that smallmouth the other day. Oh, that is awesome. There he is, everybody. Just a little fellow. Nice. Thanks, bud. Well, that was worth it. You need to live in one of their own houses. Right on the creek all the time. Well, you guys, we're almost back to the truck. Been a great morning of fishing. That largemouth was just awesome on Topwater. Thank you all for coming with me. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to get out here and do a little fishing and take you guys with me. I had a great morning. Wonderful, wonderful morning. It's a beautiful day. Be good, everybody. Thanks, guys.